Hey everyone, Dylan here from Diamond Spotlight, and today we're going to be unboxing a 2-carat cushion cut lab diamond engagement ring from Rare Carat. Now, the ring you're seeing here has a total cost of $3,652. Of that price, $650 of that is for the setting, which is the Solo Solitaire with diamond accent. And I'll have a link to it down in the video description if you want to view it on their website. And then the rest of that is for the diamond, which is a 2.03 carat cushion cut lab diamond that's F in color and VS1 in clarity. So total price, $3,652. What's so crazy about this is that you can get these stunning 2-carat lab diamond engagement rings for, mid 3,000s. It's just absolutely unbelievable. It still blows my mind, and that's why I love looking at these examples, because there's just such a good option for such a cheap price. You can save on an engagement ring, go with a lab diamond, and then take all that money that's saved and invest it in something else, right, for your relationship. But let's go ahead and show some different clips of this ring. Now, in terms of the setting itself, it's a very simplistic setting, right? This is a solitaire setting, but it does have that little accent diamond there on the bottom side near the prongs, which you guys can see here on the macro lens. It's a very subtle detail, but I do like settings that have little details that you don't notice right away. But it is nice to have something small like that to differentiate it from any other solitaire setting. In terms of the diamond, this thing looks phenomenal. 2-carat cushion cut, very sparkly, and if you're into that cushion cut style, it really doesn't get much better than this. It looks very, very large. I think that's one of the biggest things for cushion cut diamonds, is that they look much larger than their actual carat weight, and this is no exception. If we take a look at it on my wife's finger, you can see that profile and the proportions, very, very big, and the 2-carat size, in my opinion, is perfect. It's big enough that it looks very, very expensive, but at the same time, it's not so big that it's a nuisance to wear. So I think 2-carat is like the Goldilocks size. Now, in terms of the packaging from Rare Carat, they do ship it in a cardboard box that you have to sign for when it arrives. And inside of that, you're going to see their nice white box. If we open up the lid, you'll see that there's an envelope with all of your documentation. Also in here, they have a 15-day insurance policy, so your ring is covered for 15 days. And then if you choose to get more insurance from there, at least you know it's covered for those first 15 days. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions about this ring, feel free to post them down in the comments below. Like I said, I will have a link to this exact setting down in the video description. Thank you for watching, and good luck on finding your perfect engagement ring. We'll see you in the next video.